Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Sharpie Monet, and I'm back with another upcycle for you guys. Today, I'm going to be turning my t-shirt into a corset t-shirt. It's trending right now with the little like jean corset and the t-shirt, and then also biker shorts. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So first I'm going to start by pinning right where I want the corset to lay. So one in the middle of my boobs and then one up under my right and one up under my left boob. And make sure when you do the ones up under that you get an accurate pinning, because with the design, if you're like a little bit off, it's going to show. So mine showed because the way the butterfly sat, one side was up more. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crotch area of the shorts that I bought open, so that way I can be able to put it around me and cut it in the shape of a corset. Now you just want to align the buttons in the middle with the middle of the pin that we placed that was between your boobs, and then put pins where your under boob lays. And if you want to have like a real corset look, you might want to go down and up. So you might want to outline the shape of your bra, because I didn't do that, but I still ended up liking my results. For those of you who want to learn from my mistakes, this is the part where you would lay the bra down and outline the bra. But like I said, I still ended up liking my results at the end. So either way is fine with me. Now this part will make or break the look, because if you do not get those pins in order, especially with graphics bit on the shirt, if you do not get those pins in order, it's going to look lopsided, and mine ended up looking lopsided in the end. Please, 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 before you sew anything down, put the shirt on and make sure you like how it sits, because it's different from when you doing it flat and then you actually put it on. Now I knew that I wasn't going to like the way that top button sat, so I didn't sew all the way up so that way I could be able to cut it off and shorten the button length. And I mean, like, you can make alterations as you see fit. The back was a challenge for me because I knew that I wanted to use those buttons, so I went ahead and just cut along down the middle, and then I'm going to end up taking the pockets off to use them on the biker shorts. The back was so much of a hassle for me that this is the finishing look that I ended up doing off camera, so that way I wouldn't confuse you guys. But right now I know that I want like a string in the back to lace, like a little lace up detail. It's not really going to be useful just for looks, so I'm just double hemming or double folding, and then I'm going to hem right along, and I'm going to make holes, 3 holes or 4, however many you want. And yeah. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna cut the shirt into a crop top because I do not want excess amount of t-shirt hanging below my corset, because then what's the point of a corset? I mean, it might be a look for you, but it's not a look for me. So now on to the biker shorts. So first I have a shirt, the same shirt that I was working with but larger, and I'm gonna fold it in half. And then I'm going to choose my short template, and I couldn't find any biker shorts, so I just decided to use some shorts that I had bought the same day for another project. And I'm going to just outline them and then cut it out. And yes, that's my beautiful daughter, and she wanted to watch mommy do this. Maybe one day she'll be making upcycles like mommy, who knows. Being that the shirt I used for my biker shorts was the exact same shirt that I used for my top, but in a larger size, I didn't want that decal to show, so I actually put it wrong size kissing. So I wanted the inside to be my outside and the outside to be my inside, if that makes sense. So I just did it backwards, like, so that the graphics wouldn't show on my crotch area or on my butt, because that's not pleasing to me. So I'm just gonna sew the top parts of the cutout, not the curve. Do not cut the curve, just the top parts. So now that you have both of the top parts cut out, you want to fold it to where the hem is in the front and the back. And now you're going to pin together your leg parts and sew in the shape of the U. This is where those pockets that I cut off earlier came in handy because I didn't know if I wanted two pockets. And mind you, this is my first time working with pockets. So if you don't have any experience with pockets, I'm just gonna let you know that this is gonna be a very tedious task because you have to get it even. And for some reason in my head, I just thought that if I laid them on there and measured and they'll be cool without actually putting them on and making sure that they were in the right spot. But I ended up only going with one pocket in the end. So it's up to you what you want to do. These pockets were very fun to work with. I started over so many times, like seam width, start over, seam width, start over, and I finally got it right with just one pocket because they were lopsided, so I just got the one pocket. But here's my results.
If you watched this video to the end, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified next time I post a video. I post every Friday, so if you want to just go ahead and write down a friendly reminder so you won't miss out on any videos that I create over here. Do not mind my hair because today is wash day. Today is wash day. So do not mind my hair. I'll probably be back and popping next Friday. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.